guys, we are back for another video yet again, and today is going to be a Valentine's Day inspired hairstyle. It's going to be hearts, so let's get started and see how this turns out.
Happy Valentine's Day.
It's not yet, but
I know.
it'll be next month.
Happy maybe Valentine's.
Happy almost.
Happy maybe.
Happy almost. Okay, so yesterday we did the whole washing and deep conditioning in her hair. So I'm just going to spray it down. And she has her low porosity shea moisture conditioner in, and some grapeseed oil. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off by parting down the middle of her head. Just line it up with the tip of the nose. And I'm going to go back to about the middle of her head. Okay, and then I'm going to part it from the tip of her ear. All this hair. So from right here, I'm just going to part it up to this middle part that I just made. Okay, so as you can see, we have this little L-shaped part right there. And I clipped the rest of it back because we won't be working with it yet. So I'm going to start probably right in the middle of this section. That's where the point will start. And then you're just going to create a heart. Alright, so where you made the L part, that's going to be the sides of the heart. So all you have to really do is part out the little bumps here. So all I did was start from about right here. I came around down here and then around to about right there. And this extra hair, we will do something with it, trust me. I'm not going to leave it like this. But for the heart, I'm just going to smooth it all down, and then I'm going to put in my rubber band here at the tip of the heart. So I'm just going to get some of my gel. Make sure we smooth this all down. Okay, so as you can see, that is our first heart. I just put the ponytail back here. It's not all the way back at the point. I put it back as far as I could. And then I'm just leaving this hair out for now. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. We're just going to go, you know, the opposite way. The heart's going to start over here and come to a point just like this one. Alright, as you can see, we got the other heart here. Just did the same thing. I used the L as the sides of the heart and put the ponytail up here in the corner. So my last heart part is going to be in the back. It's going to start right here, like the little point, and then it's going to go around down to the bottom down here. Okay, as you can see, this is a very rough heart part. I might fix this up a bit, but there we have it. And we have all this extra hair going around the side of the heart that we are going to do something with in just a bit. Okay guys, so I thought I was recording that whole time, but I was not. So I'm just going to explain what I did. So after I had all those little extra pieces, I was going to braid it, but I'm not that great at braiding, so I decided to do something that everyone can do just in case you don't know how to braid also. So I just piggybacked some rubber bands, and I went all around the edge. I stopped right here, and then I did it from the middle of the heart down here, and then once I got to right here, I connected the two, and then I just took it all the way down to the back here, and I connected it. I have this little piece that I just twisted and brought up into the ponytail with this, because you can't tell, when the twists are down, so you can't tell that it's there. So I just brought it up so it wasn't hanging down. But I just did the same thing on this side. And then up here, I just put one braid in this ponytail, one braid in this one. I wrapped it around and secured it with a rubber band. And then I just put some twists in this ponytail. But that is the final look.
I love this. It's so cute. It's just, I love the cute little twists in the back. It's so cute.
Alright guys, so this is the final look. She wanted a Valentine's Day hairstyle, and I wanted to try one that I haven't seen before, so personally I haven't seen anything like this before. It was a trial, like I didn't do this beforehand, so I don't know, I'm not 100% happy with it, but I still think it's cute. I think I could have done better, but this could be an idea to help inspire you guys to create some new Valentine's Day hairstyle. So if you like this hairstyle, or you think maybe it can give you some inspiration for your own type, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing because we got some more videos coming.
Subscribe if you're new to the channel too, and comment down below.
Yeah, comment down below what you guys think of this hairstyle. I don't know how much I like it, but it's not the worst, so at least it's something. We're probably going to keep it in for a few days and then switch it up. So we will show you the video when we switch it up too, because we like to record all our hairstyles and share it with you guys. So stay tuned, and we will see you next time.
Bye, Half Rose.
Bye.
And spread the love.